Have you ever found yourself tossing something out only to regret it later when you suddenly needed it? Maybe it was a jar, a shirt, or even a random piece of packaging. We've all been there, standing over the trash can, second-guessing whether that item is truly useless, or if it might come in handy someday. It's a common scenario in every household, and it's easy to underestimate the hidden value in the things we throw away. Think about those empty glass jars from pasta sauce, or that old, faded t-shirt you haven't worn in years. Most of us see these as clutter, just taking up space in our homes. But what if I told you that these everyday items could actually be transformed into something useful, saving you money and even helping you out in unexpected situations? Sometimes, the things we overlook are the very things that can make our lives easier, more organized, and even more sustainable. Imagine digging through a pile of discarded items and suddenly finding something valuable. A tool you need, a container for leftovers, or even a creative solution to a household problem. It's not just about being thrifty, it's about being resourceful and seeing potential where others see waste. Those so-called useless items could be the key to solving everyday challenges, stretching your budget, or even helping you out in a pinch when you least expect it. Today we're diving into 15 everyday items you should never throw away. These aren't just random objects, they're practical tools that can help you organize your home, tackle DIY projects, or even survive tough times. From simple storage hacks to emergency fixes, you'll be surprised at how much value you can unlock from things you already own. By rethinking what you toss, you can reduce waste, save money, and make your life a little bit easier. Remember, it's not just about accumulating stuff. It's about recognizing the hidden potential in everyday objects. When you start to see value where others see trash, you open up a world of possibilities. You become more creative, more prepared, and more mindful of the resources at your fingertips. So before you head to the trash can with that next item, pause for a moment. Ask yourself, could this be useful in another way? Stick around because you might be surprised at what you're about to throw away. You could be tossing out pure gold. Let's discover the hidden treasures in your home together. Let's start with something simple yet incredibly versatile: glass jars and containers. You might not realize it, but these everyday items have the power to transform your kitchen, your home, and even your lifestyle. Think about all those pasta sauce and pickle jars that tend to pile up in your cabinets after you've finished the contents. Instead of tossing them out or letting them gather dust, why not give them a second life? Glass jars are perfect for storing leftovers. Their airtight seals keep your food fresher for longer, and you can easily see what's inside without having to open every container. No more mystery boxes in the fridge, just clear, organized storage that makes meal planning and prepping a breeze. But their usefulness doesn't stop in the kitchen. Glass jars are fantastic for organizing small items around the house. Store screws, buttons, beads, or craft supplies in them. Because they're see-through, you'll always know exactly where everything is, and their stackable shape saves precious space. Need an extra drinking glass for a picnic or a casual get-together? Grab a clean jar. Want a rustic vase for fresh flowers? A glass jar does the trick. And since most glass jars are microwave safe, you can reheat leftovers directly in them. No need to dirty another dish. If you love DIY projects, glass jars are a blank canvas. Paint them, decorate them, or fill them with candles to create beautiful, personalized candle holders. They make great gifts or cozy additions to your home decor. You can even use glass jars to start an indoor herb garden. Just add soil and seeds, place them on a sunny windowsill, and watch your herbs grow. It's a simple, sustainable way to bring fresh flavors into your kitchen. Every time you choose to reuse a glass jar instead of buying new plastic containers, you're making a positive impact on the environment. Glass is endlessly recyclable and doesn't leach chemicals, making it a healthier choice for you and the planet. So next time you finish a jar of pasta sauce or pickles, don't throw it away. With a little creativity, these jars can become treasures, helping you stay organized, reduce waste, and add a touch of charm to your home. Remember, jars aren't trash, they're treasures in disguise. Before you bag up that faded t-shirt or worn-out jeans, think twice. Cut them up for reusable cleaning rags, way better than paper towels. Turn ripped shirts into patches, quilts, or tote bags. No sewing expertise needed. Old pillowcases or sheets can become emergency bandages or pet bedding. Repurposing textiles saves money and reduces waste. Every scrap of fabric can find a second life, if you let it. Cardboard boxes. Don't just flatten them for recycling, stack and label for cheap storage, or use as drawer dividers. Cardboard insulates windows and doors in winter. Kids love turning boxes into forts or art projects. DIYers can make organizers, standing desk extensions, or moving boxes. Cardboard is endlessly useful with a little imagination. Next time you get a package, think before you toss the box. Plastic bags often get a bad rap for their environmental impact, but when you take the time to reuse them, they can actually become one of the most versatile and helpful items in your home. Instead of tossing them out after a single use, consider the many ways you can give them a second life. Saving plastic bags in a dedicated drawer or container means you'll always have a handy solution ready for a variety of everyday problems. For example, plastic bags make perfect liners for small trash cans, keeping them clean and making disposal easy. Caught in unexpected rain? Slip a plastic bag over your shoes to keep them dry, or use one to cover your bicycle seat. When packing for a trip, use plastic bags to separate clean clothes from dirty laundry, or to keep shoes from soiling the rest of your suitcase. They're also great for storing wet swimsuits or gym clothes on the go, moving or shipping fragile items. Plastic bags can be used as cushioning material to protect glassware, dishes, or electronics. They're also a convenient way to pick up pet waste during walks, or to store paintbrushes between coats to keep them from drying out. Feeling crafty? Braid plastic bags together to create durable mats or baskets, or stuff them into pillows for extra fluff. You can even weave them into jump ropes or other creative DIY projects, giving them a whole new purpose. In the garden, plastic bags are invaluable. Use them as makeshift gloves when handling messy tasks, collect weeds or clippings, or carry small tools. They can even protect a cast or bandage from water during a quick shower. With just a little creativity, a simple plastic bag can solve countless everyday problems. From organization to protection, cleaning to crafting, the possibilities are nearly endless. So next time you're about to throw one away, think twice, reuse it, and discover just how much this humble item can do. Worn-out towels aren't done yet. Cut them into cleaning cloths or use as pet bedding. Keep some in your car for spills or as draft stoppers in winter. Outdoors, towels protect plants from frost or keep mud at bay. Craft them into mop pads or bath mats. Retire a towel, give it a new job. Broken electronics aren't just e-waste, they're packed with valuable parts. Salvage cables, batteries, and buttons for repairs or DIY projects. Computer fans, speakers, and circuit boards can be reused in tech builds. Even if you're not tech-savvy, cords and chargers often work with other devices. Harvesting parts turns trash into a treasure chest. Recycle what you can't use to stay eco-friendly. Empty tin cans are incredibly useful around the house and garden. Clean them out for instant planters or sturdy candle holders. Turn cans into simple stoves for camping or prepping. Organize pens, brushes, or utensils. Just sand the edges. Repurpose cans instead of tossing them. That humble can is a powerful tool waiting for its next job. Twist ties and rubber bands are tiny, but mighty for organization. Bundle cords, seal snack bags, or fix a zipper pull. Rubber bands secure lids, act as jar grips, or organize cables. In the garden, twist ties train plants or secure vines. Save these unsung heroes. They're ready for any quick fix. Old shoes can find new life in your garden or home. Turn sneakers or boots into quirky planters. Just add drainage holes and soil. Spare shoelaces replace broken drawstrings. Insoles become padding for DIY projects. Repurpose soles for anti-slip pads or use shoe parts for crafts. Artists can use soles for custom prints or stamps. Before tossing footwear, ask, could this be useful elsewhere? Don't throw away candle stubs. Melt them down for a new candle. Leftover wax makes great fire starters for camping or emergencies. Use wax to waterproof matches, zippers, or garden tools. Repurpose used candles to save money and reduce waste. Keep the glow going a little longer. Egg cartons are perfect for organizing and gardening. Sort beads, screws, or jewelry. Each slot keeps things tidy. Use as seed starters. Just fill with soil and plant seeds. Cut apart for easy transplanting, no root disturbance. Kids love them for crafts or paint palettes. Save your next carton for a new purpose. Empty glass bottles are waiting for a second act. Clean and reuse as water bottles, vases, or for homemade cleaners. DIYers can turn them into candle holders or oil lamps. Artists can paint or etch designs for custom decor. Don't toss that bottle, transform it. Scrap paper is a resource, not just clutter. Used for notes, grocery lists, or as kindling for fires. Great for crafts, origami, or homemade gift tags. Kids can draw or practice letters on scrap sheets. Cut into squares for homemade notepads. Give your paper a few extra lives before recycling. Metal hangers are a DIY dream. Bend into plant supports, hooks, or custom organizers. Straighten for emergency tools or drain uncloggers. Use as wreath bases or pet toys. Before tossing, see what you can create. Reusable packaging is free storage waiting to be used. Organize closets, protect items during moves, or sort tools in the garage. Gift bags and boxes can be reused for holidays or birthdays. Clear containers store food, craft supplies, or seedlings. Travelers can use sturdy packaging for shoes or electronics. Don't throw out packaging, put it to work. Next time you're about to toss something, ask, could this help me down the road? Every item you save is a chance to be creative or solve a problem.